Hey guys, are you trying to drive traffic to your website by ranking your page on the first page of Google but cannot do it because of the high competition? Well, if yes, then keep watching this video because in this video I'll be telling you 5 tips why you should not waste your time on Google in the initial pages and why you should use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website. Keep watching. Hey guys, I am Mukesh. You're watching Earning Insights, and if this is your first time here in my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you want to receive updates related to Pinterest marketing and blogging. So guys, let us start. Let me take you to the 5th tip why you should start with Pinterest marketing and not with Google. So the 5th point is high competition. So guys, if you know, in internet now there are more than 500 million bloggers who want to rank their website on the first page of Google, and in Google there are only 10 results. Those are being shown to the users. Now the problem is guys, the competition is just too much for all the keywords, whereas in Pinterest there are only 0.5 million people or bloggers who want to rank their website. And also you have to understand that in Google, in the first page there are around 10 results which Google shows. However, in Pinterest there are around 60 images that a people understand or a people scrolls before making a mind or clicking on any pin. So the chances of ranking your blog post on Pinterest is very high compared to Google. So guys, the 4th reason why you should start driving traffic using Pinterest in the beginning stage is time. So guys, if you know Google SEO, Google gives a lot of importance to the domains or the website who are a bit older. So what that means is, if your website is around 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 10-year old, then you hold a better chance to rank on the first page of Google than that of a site who is just around 2 months old. So what that means is, if you are just starting a blog or starting a website, your chances of ranking on the number 1 page is extremely difficult, whereas Pinterest algorithm don't work that way. In Pinterest, all you need is consistency. You have to publish pins consistently, but Pinterest will not judge your age when it ranks your pins. So if your pins quality is good, if you are making sure that you understand the SEO currently, you can actually compete with the people who are there in Pinterest algorithm for last so many years. So guys, the 3rd reason that I have for you to start using Pinterest to drive traffic is SEO. Yes guys, if you're working with Google SEO, then you know Google SEO is very complex. You have to understand a lot of things. You have to do on-page SEO, off-page SEO, creating backlink, do the DA matrix, make a good domain authority website. There are a lot of things that you have to do as a beginner in Google, whereas in Pinterest, the Pinterest SEO luckily is not that complicated. All you need to do is you have to understand how to create a good pin. You have to make sure that you are pinning consistently, and you have to learn to use the groups in the correct way. That's all you have to understand, and you can rank your pins on the top pages, and you can rank your pins on the top, and eventually you can drive traffic using Pinterest. So guys, the number 4 reason why you should use Pinterest in the initial phases is population. So guys, if you don't know, around 44% of US people are actually using Pinterest, and when you are starting your blog post, you actually want to drive traffic from the developed country, from the T4 countries like US or Canada, because these people have the purchase power, and also if you publish ad to these people, you will get maximum amount of money. So you want to target these people. Everyone actually wants to target these people. Now the number 1 reason why you should use Pinterest in the beginning stage is automation. So guys, if you know Google don't provide any automation tools by its own. You at best what you can do is you can use tools to do the SEO. These tools are available in Google, but Google don't provide you any kind of tool to automate your SEO. However, in Pinterest, you can use Tailwind. Tailwind is basically the official partner of Pinterest. Now, if you use Tailwind, you can actually automate a lot of SEO. You can automatically push your pins to a lot of people. There are a lot of automation that you can do if you are using Tailwind, which is an official partner of Pinterest, and your work can be very easy compared to Google SEO. So guys, these are the basic reasons why I recommend all my students to start using Pinterest in the beginning stage and not so much focus on Google SEO, because at time what will happen is people get irritated while they're not able to rank on the first page, and eventually one time will come that they'll quit. So I don't want you guys to quit. So guys, start using Pinterest. Do it in the right way. If you don't know what Pinterest is and how to use Pinterest, you can check out my videos. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go and check it out. And I wish you all the luck in the future. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep earning, keep learning.